Have you ever been disappointed by your own or others' imperfections? Maybe he tried to cover up the defects, hoping to make everything look more complete. However, the beauty of life lies precisely in its imperfection, just like a piece of porcelain with cracks. It is precisely because of those cracks that the light can penetrate and add irreplaceable uniqueness to life. When you look directly at the imperfection in life, you tend to struggle and resist in your heart. Why can't these shortcomings be changed? Pain comes from persistence, especially obsession with perfection. When trying to control everything, life loses its original mobility. However, when you learn to accept, you can see the light in the cracks and let pain become a nutrient for growth. To accept imperfections is to look at the whole picture of life with a wise eye. When you let go of the pursuit of perfection, every moment of life will show its truth and beauty. Whether it is a failure, a broken relationship, or inner fear, it is like a stone thrown into the lake. Although it stirs up ripples, it eventually returns to calm and becomes a part of the lake. To accept imperfection is to accept the integrity of life. Everyone is born with a bright nature. Even if there are external defects, there is still infinite potential in the heart. Just like broken diamond sand, although it is no longer complete, it can reflect thousands of rays of light. Failure is a kind of learning, fear is a kind of reminder, and setback is a signpost that guides us to choose again. Only when shortcomings are no longer regarded as obstacles, but as gifts of life, can we live more freely and peacefully. When you transcend the criticism of the shortcomings of yourself and others, you can look at everything with compassion. Compassionate vision makes us understand that every part of life, no matter how inconspicuous or painful, is the cornerstone of growth and perfection. Shortcoming is a unique gift from life. When faced with challenges and difficulties in life, we often feel frustrated or even disappointed. But behind the dilemma there are infinite possibilities. Just like a tree broken by a storm, its roots tend to be deeper and tougher. It is in the shortcomings and challenges of life that wisdom and compassion can be inspired and trained. You can choose to take these experiences as lessons, not burdens, and transform them into powerful inner strength. When you face your shortcomings with courage, your heart will have infinite potential. It is no longer regarded as an obstacle to external criticism and internal inadequacy, but as a ladder to climb to the peak of life. Every choice, whether it is letting go of persistence or choosing to face it, is a step that leads you to the light. Suffering is the alchemy of the soul, which makes us shine our inner glory. The perfection of life is not to have no regrets, but to coexist with regrets and learn from them. Just like the lotus blooms from the sludge, its beauty is more touching because it coexists with the sludge. When you accept imperfection, you will find that you and others do not need to repair to become a complete existence. Only by letting go of the obsession with perfection can we have true peace. This is not only applicable to inner cultivation, but also reflected in getting along with others. When you no longer look at yourself and everything around you with demanding eyes, every moment of life will be full of gratitude and joy. Imperfection is the most beautiful contrast in the universe. Just like the clouds and sunshine in the sky coexist, the intertwining of shortcomings and completeness weave into a unique picture of life. Consummation is not without defects, but the harmonious beauty of dancing with shortcomings.